my buddy Josh, you already know him. We're setting up the two-step. They sent me a new box so that way my flat foot shifting could be a little more better on point. Something with a single stage, blah, 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 blah. We're back in action. The Malibu, I got some clips of that thing earlier. Intake, catless downpipe, and a BNR tune on the way. Well, the bolt-ons are installed, the tune is being written. More to that, it's gonna be pretty sick. Like I promised, we're in the Malibu. It now is equipped with the BNR base map, so let's see what we got on here. Sounds good. Oh shit. You can hear that. That turbo sounds crazy, dude. Holy shit. Can you notice the difference from before and after?
I'm still getting used to it.
Yeah?
You definitely feel a little more umph in the pulls.
Nice, 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 nice.
We'll do a little more testing, see.
Look at this guy, what in the world? Oh, that sounds crazy. Hey, look at that guy. Has to be one. Wow, dude, the turbo sounds crazy. Let's see. So, wow. I would probably be doing that all day. Usually they have car shows here. Nope, it is empty. Nice. That freaking 1-2 pop is nasty. Here's a little noise right here.